if you do like longer hair, then this is the hair for you. The hair is 22 inches long, so it probably comes down to about my waist. Very pretty. I got the color 1B, and this hair comes from Flotig Hair Company, and you can find them on Amazon if you want to order the hair. And the hair is light. It is not heavy, but it is heavy compared to the passion twist that I had in recently. And so it is a little bit heavier than those were, but it's still not very heavy. And I contribute that to the length of the hair. So all this length makes it feel a little bit heavier. And then just the type of lock it is makes it heavier as well. I will say that the hair did come with a slight odor to it. So if you're sensitive to odors, then I would suggest doing like soaking the hair in water and conditioner, or either doing an ACV rinse on the hair to get rid of the smell. And I would also like to thank Flotig Hair Company for sending me the hair to try out. Thank you. But that's it. The hair was really easy to install. Now the little pre-made loop that it comes with was kind of small and tight, so you really have to open it up as best you can and pull the hair through. Because as you can see, it has this distressed type look to it. So you really have to be able to pull all of this through that loop. So you're gonna have to really get in there and open the loop up pretty wide. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe and go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And as always, I will catch you in the next video. Bye.